Okay, this is how I draw a comic page from start to finish in Clip Studio Paint. So first I start out with a really rough sketch. Here I just lay out the panel and the basic forms of the characters in the scene. After that I go over again with a more detailed sketch. After that, I ink the panels as well as the darkest shadows. Once those are set up, I go in and add details and hatching. Then I add flat colors on a multiply folder over top of the line art. Next, I add shadows on a linear burn layer, which I clip to the flat colors. After that, I add a layer for atmosphere. Set this layer to linear burn and clip it to the folder with your flats and shadows. Finally, I will go in with lighting on a overlay or hard light layer. Finally, I'll go in with effects. Effects can be anything from glow, which I'll do on an add glow layer over top of everything including your line art. And lettering you can do directly in Clip Studio Paint. I use the font C. Joe Kubert, and then you're done. So I hope that helped, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.